In this video, you'll be learning how to connect your pixelverse wallet and also get the card of the day. Okay, the 4 cards of the day that will give you your either 1 million, 2 million or 3 million, depending on the level you are. Okay, so when I open the bot, first thing to do is to claim your mint tokens, and then you go to rewards. So after claiming, you go to rewards. Okay, this rewards. So then you click on claim to claim today's reward, because you are supposed to be claiming every day. So I'll be claiming my 50,000 for today. So now that that is done, I'll be coming here for today's daily combo. Okay, so you click here. This is today's daily combo that is going to give me 2.6 million tokens. So now I have to go, you have to go to the group and check the combo that will be dropped on in the group. For those who are newbies, or if you've not started this project, better start now, because this project will be launching on the 30th of June this month. Okay, so we've been doing this project for about a month plus now. Better start this project before it's too late. Use this daily combo to boost your income and get your 2 million tokens. Okay, so the first one is this one. Okay, this one. So we'll go and look for it, then drag and drop. This is it here. Okay, this one. Alright, so the next one is this. This is it. And then the next one is this. Okay, so you can see the difference. This one has a dash, a line here. So we'll go and look for it, and this is it here. So that's the third position. And then the fourth one is this. Okay, this one carrying a bag, and then that's that. So I can then click on check. So it's correct. You can see everything is 25%, because it's out of 100%. 100 divided by 4 gives 25%. So I have everything complete. So claim. So this is how to claim your daily reward. Okay, your daily card reward. So also remember to come to tax center to complete your task. Okay, complete all these tasks here, please complete them. They are very easy. So one more thing, you need to connect your wallet. Okay, so that you'll be able to be paid. If you don't connect your wallet, you will not receive your token. So just come here, click here, and then select. As for newbies, this video is actually for newbies. You know, people, those who are into crypto already know how to select this. It's still the same process. You come here and click on trust wallet. When you click on trust wallet, you click on yes, I have it, and then you come here and paste your USDT ERC20 wallet address. How do you paste this wallet address? Just go and download Trust Wallet from your app store. So this is Trust Wallet. So this is Trust Wallet. This is how it looks like. Trust Wallet. This is the logo. Okay, so when you download this from your app store and open it, this is how it looks like. Of course, you have to copy your seed phrase. So you'll be given a 12 character seed phrase. Write them down. That is like your secret password. Don't give it to anybody. Write it down on a sheet of paper. That is the only way you can have access to your account in case you lost your phone or something happened to your Trust Wallet account. That's the only way to recover your funds. So always write them down. Then when you get to this stage, all you have to do is to just look for USDT. Okay, let's click on manage crypto and look for USDT. Okay, you can always come and search here, up here. Just search USDT. Okay, so this is the right USDT to copy. Okay, this one that says Ethereum, so you click on it to activate it. Okay, you activate it like this, then click on it, and then you click on receive. Okay, so what we need is ERC20, USDT ERC20. So when you come here, so which is this first one here, USDT Ethereum. Okay, so just turn this one on, this first one, make sure it's written Ethereum, so that's ERC20. So I've clicked on it. So when you turn it on, you click on it, you get to this point, then you can see this is ERC20. All you have to do is to click on receive, your receiving address, then you copy your receiving address here, you copy this, and then you come here and paste it. You just come and paste it here. You paste. Once you paste, click on made it, and that is just how to connect your wallet. As simple as that. Okay, that's all you just have to do to connect your wallet. So I've already connected my wallet from BitGet, so I wouldn't be doing that. So this is for newbies. I've showed you how to connect your wallet now. Alright, so please come and complete all these tasks so that you can get additional features. If you are using OKX, you can download OKX to complete this particular task. OKX, just download it from Play Store. Use the same process in which I showed you here to connect your wallet. You can also use that same process to connect this. Just go and look for USDT, go to receiving address, and then copy your ERC20. Okay, so that's for those who have their OKX accounts. Let me show you. So this is my OKX. When I open it, then when you open it, just click on wallets. Make sure your account is verified though. That is why I'm recommending Trust Wallet for you. With Trust Wallet, you don't need a verified account, but with OKX, you need a verified account. You have to come here and verify your account. Then after verifying your account, you come here and click on wallet. Then you come and click on USDT. This is it. Then you come and copy your Ethereum address. So this is what you are going to copy, Ethereum. You just copy, click on receive, or this is it here. Just copy this and to go and paste it here. Okay, you go and paste it here. You go and paste it here. Okay, by starting. So that's just how it's done. That's now you know how to connect a wallet. Okay, so one more thing for you to be able to increase your profit per hour. This is my daily income of 2 million, and that is why you see me having this much. Just come here where it says fights and buy a pet. Okay, make sure if you are buying a pet or you are upgrading a pet, make sure you don't spend more than 250,000, please. You just scroll to the right, you will see this plus sign, click on it, buy a pet. But whenever you want to buy a pet, the first time I think you'll be seeing 1 million or so, you know. But when you get to a stage where you're not seeing 10 million, please don't buy anymore. Even me, I won't be able to risk my funds to buy a pet anymore. The ones I bought are okay. So you can always upgrade them. I upgraded all my pets to level 7. As you can see, you can always upgrade them, but like I said, don't spend more than 250,000 tokens, either by upgrading your pets or by buying a new pet. Okay, so this is where to upgrade your pets. Okay, so you can see if I want to upgrade again, it's telling me 605,000. I won't be doing that. Alright, I'm okay with my resources. So that is all you need to know for this video, and then see you in the next one.